You've also got Vedanta, Hindalco, Techem, Oro Pharma and L&T, 2 consecutive days of solid gains. That stock is well closing in with a 2% gain. From within the liquid universe, which by the way is the outperformer today, so you've got an even Steven market breadth, but yes, a 0.5% dash when it comes to the mid and the small cap indexes in the spot market. SAIL, that's closed up by about 15%. IFCI goes home with an 8.25% gain. PNB is seeing some good follow through from yesterday, so another 7.6% up in the green. Engineers India, we were chatting with the management earlier today, a 7% notch up coming in here, and Adani Power as well is the other one which has gone home with gains. For the series, it's been bad for a JP Associates. This was a high flyer 2 months back, but not in the series gone by. And JP Associates goes home with a 10% loss. Taracom, Torrent Pharma, HCL Technologies, RCom, these have all been losers today. If you look at some of the UI additions, that's largely to do with some of the FMCG names. So Nestle, Unilever, Godrej Consumer, PVR, which is slated to come out with its numbers tomorrow, also closes in with some smart gains of about almost 2.5%.
Yeah, even for the broader markets, you know, you have a decent market breadth, a mid-cap and the small-cap index, which have closed well in the green. It's remarkable the way the market has been able to pull in weight in the last half an hour, or actually the last 60 minutes of the session. Gujarat Fluorochemicals picks up 15%. SAIL after a really long time, and you know, this was the talk that we were having about an extended PSU rally, which started off with PSU banks and now is spreading across the public sector undertaking space, SAIL being a case in point. Dilip Bilcon, I mean, the number of double-digit gains are fairly interesting. Bhushan Steel picks up 9%. You have an IFCI which is up 8.5%. Mangalore Chemicals, EIL post numbers doing very well. Some of the real estate names, Prestige Estates, Peninsula Land being key performers. IRB Infra has done well for itself. BILT has been a performer as well. BHEL has moved higher. I mean, it's a long list. If I scan through the list on the mid-cap, the Nifty 500, at least you have the first 20 names making market gains price as well as volume wise. So great way to close out the series and a great close to the expiry as well. With that, of course, we have just about 20 seconds to go before we wrap up the markets. Quick run through on notable losers. Jayaprakash Associates would be one of them. Mastech is down. You have Tata Communications, which is down 5.5%. Some of the PSU names, Syndicate Bank, UCO Bank, have seen profit taking. So it's a complete U-turn from yesterday's session where they were making double-digit gains. Not that they've negated the gains completely, but you know, in today's day of trade, with expiry being on the annual, there has been a reversal of sorts in terms of profit taking on those stocks. But the Nifty closes at a record high, 10,334. Soon we'll be halfway around the mark to 11,000. Soon, I'm saying, not today.